Today we are doing assembly language programming in Killsoft 10 for data transfer. I am writing here write an assembly language program to transfer 5 data bytes and 5 data bytes 30 edge location 40 edge location in the internal RAM of we can say 8051 microcontroller. Now we have to start here program. We have to start from origin somewhere. For example, we have started our program from 00 edge location. Now move R0 comma, what is the location? Our source location is 30H. Okay, so we write all this in small letters now. 30H. So what is the comment here? The comment is source memory pointer. Move R1 comma hash 40H, that is destination. Now we need to take the counter. Okay, so count for the number to be transferred is mentioned here. It is 5 data bytes here. So here we need to write 20 R3 comma, don't need to write here H because this is count, not a memory location. So here comment is count for the number. So here we have mentioned that we have to transfer 5 data bytes. That's why we here mentioned the count is 5. Okay. Now what we need, we need to read value from 30H, that is the source memory onwards. So that there is one way that is called indirect way. So move accumulator a comma at the rate. This is the example of indirect addressing mode R0. Okay. So what here purpose is comment is here. This is indirect way. Read value from 30H onwards. Okay. Now after reading, what we need to do, we need to store that value. So move at the rate R1 comma A. So this is store value in 40H. Store value in 40H. You can see here that it is 40H. R1 is here 40H. So in one case, what I am doing, I am going to read, and in other step I am going to store it. Okay. Now I need to increment INC R0. Initially R0 is 30, next time it is 31. So here I need to increment R0 and increment R1 also. So in this what we are doing, point to the next location. point to next location. Okay, these are the comments. Okay, now this is also increment point to the next location. Now what we need to do, DJ and Z, and it will R1 and go to one level, we can say that is up here, and we need to mention the label here up. I will explain you again this program. I need to save this program first, then I will explain again the whole program. File, save, data transfer. The name of program is data transfer, and it is the ASM file, assembly language programming, so we need to save here. Okay, now you can see this inc r1, and so this is actual coding. After that you can end the program. So that is the solution. Now for the and you need to type end. So this is the program solution. So here comment, you can see here comment. What the purpose of comment? So comment should give an idea of logic of the program. Comment should serve the purpose. Okay, so here 20, here it is mentioned 30H as a memory pointer. Okay, so 30H has a memory pointer, so don't say R0 is loaded with 30H. So this is the basic code. Once you save the code, add it to the source group. So I need to add it into source group. For that I need to add existing file to the source group. Go to the data transfer, which is desktop, and I am using here assembly coding, so data, and add it. So now you can see that the program is added here. So once you save the code, add it to the source group, added here, you can compile this. You may get error, okay, may or may not get error. So you can see here 0 error and 0 warning. So I want to debug this to see what are the memory location here. So this is now debug the program. Go to the memory location from here, memory window, and so it is internal memory as mentioned. So type I is to 0 cross 20 and then enter here. You can see here memory location. For example, here written 01, here 02, 03. So for the next memory 5 memory location we need to type here, so that we can see that it is transferred to the memory location. So so in our program we write 30H, so here we also need to type 30H again, 01, 02. You can type any value here. This is just for example 04, then 05. Okay, I need to edit this location, then I edit this. Now see what is inside the 40H location. Okay, now go to the 40, enter here. So all the position are 0 0 0. So after running this instruction we can see the changes. Okay, so now run step by step. You can see here in step 1 what happened, R0 is loaded with 13. In step 2 it must be loaded, R1 must be loaded with 40H. You can see R1 is loaded with 40H. In the next instruction what happened, R3 is loaded with the point with 5, which is a counter. R3 is loaded with a 5. Now in the next instruction move A comma, this is the indirect way of addressing. Okay, so it will read the value from 30H onwards. So you can see here, now you can see that the what will be written on the 30 location will transferred on the 40th location. Now I need to transfer next iteration. Okay, now R1 and R0 changes with, you can see R0 is changes with 31 and R1 changes with 41. This is how location increment by the instruction INC. Now this will run. So this instruction are used to transfer the data. So we use here simple data transfer instructions, some direct instructions, and some arithmetic instruction like INC. And we are using here DJ and Z. It decrement the R3. Okay, what is the role of DJ and Z? It decrement the R3. So until not 0, keep on looping. So this is a kind of loop. This is solution for loading 5 bits. You can see here when you run,